Hello everybody, this is Tim from Maclin Ford, and in this video I'm showing this brand new 2022 Ford F-150. It's in the XLT trim. It's got spotlight mirrors, running boards, the sport appearance package, trailer tow package, power release tailgate, as well as a tailgate step. Moving to the back seat, on the door here we do have the power window controls, which takes me into the cloth bench seat that will fit 3 people. This is also a split folding bench seat, so if you do need a little bit of extra cargo space, you can easily configure the seats to get it. Okay, to put it back down, you have some seat back storage, a couple of cup holders there, as well as a 12-volt outlet right by the rear vents, and right below that you got 2 USB ports and a 110-volt. Moving up to the driver's door, we do have the power window controls, the power mirrors, and then right there is the power locks. So there is a little storage area, and we also have a sound system from B&O for excellent sound quality. Now just on the inside, you have your spotlight controls, your power tailgate release, as well as your automatic headlights, which does include also fog lights and the exterior rear dome light. You also have an electronic parking brake right there, which takes me to the driver's seat, which is fully powered. Taking a look at the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, you do have your adaptive cruise control, your steering wheel mounted audio controls, as well as your sync voice activated system button. On the right side, you have your phone button, as well as the button for your dashboard menu. Now on your menu, taking a look at your dash, you can select from My View, Trip, Truck Info, Towing, Phone, Audio, as well as Vehicle Settings. Just to the right of the steering column is your push button ignition, and right beside that is your Pro Trailer Backup Assist, and below is your trailer brake controller, as well as your 4x4 system. Taking a look at the center display screen, okay, you've got a radio here that will accept sources from AM, FM, as well as Bluetooth. Okay, this here is where you would add a new Bluetooth device, such as a phone. Now you can set up your favorites however you wish. And you got vehicle apps, which do include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can adjust your vehicle settings, okay, which do include 911 assist and valet mode, okay, as well as your vehicle features, which do include smart hitch, your digital owner's manual, onboard scales, zone lighting. And this is also where you will see the feed from your backup camera. And right below that, you got your physical controls for your radio and your climate system, which do include heated seats, as well as a rear defroster. To the right, you have a 12-volt outlet and a 110-volt outlet. And right below that, in the little cubby hole here, you got 2 USB ports. And moving backwards, you got 2 cup holders there, and you've got your gear selection, okay, which does have select shift as well. Okay, with a touch of a single button, the gear selector will recess into the console area, which means you can actually turn this into a bit of a workstation, but only when you're parked. Okay, moving upwards, you have an overhead console that does have a little storage area for some sunglasses, okay, and as well as your interior overhead lights and the controls for your power back window. Thanks for watching. For more information on this F-150, give us a call at 587-871-8293. Now the stock number for this beautiful truck is 22F18439. You can also go to MaclinFord.com or in person, 135 Glendeer Circle SE. We'd love to see you. Take you for a test drive. Thanks for shopping Maclin Ford. Have a wonderful day.